Today's topic of discussion is window air conditioners. So, here we will discuss the construction and the working of the window air conditioner. The component of the window air conditioners are the compressor, condenser, capillary tube, evaporator, motor fan and damper. So, let us start window air conditioner. So, regarding the working cycle, it is vapor compression cycle. So, this is the valve on which this window air conditioner need to be mounted, and this is the compressor. The refrigerant which is in vapor form comes out of this compressor, and it is having high pressure, high temperature. So high pressure, high temperature vapor refrigerant comes out of the compressor and it goes to the condenser. So the outside air acts as the cooling medium, and because of this, the high pressure, high temperature vapor, because of the cooling action, gets converted into high pressure, lower temperature and liquid. So it has lower temperature and the vapor changes into liquid. So after that, it passes through the capillary tube. So when it passes through the capillary tube, the high pressure liquid gets converted into low pressure liquid. So now, after passing through the capillary tube, the liquid refrigerant will be at lower temperature and lower pressure. So now currently the liquid refrigerant will pass through the evaporator. And regarding the evaporator, as you can see, the air from the room is coming to the evaporator after passing through this filter. And since we have discussed that the refrigerant is in liquid form having lower temperature, so what it does, it absorbs the heat from the air, and the liquid refrigerant gets converted into vapor. So now the liquid will get converted, liquid refrigerant will get converted to vapor. So now I will show how the refrigerant travels and the different pressure and temperature of the refrigerant at different point of time. So as you can see over here, when the refrigerant comes from the compressor, it is having high pressure and high temperature and it is in vapor form. After going through this condenser and the cooling action, it still has high pressure but the temperature is lower and it is in liquid form. After passing through the capillary tube, the pressure also gets lower. So now the refrigerant is in low pressure and low temperature and it is in liquid form. After passing through the evaporator, it absorbs the heat from the air and it gets converted into vapor, and it moves on. So here, as you can see, the air which is coming from the room and the heat is absorbed by the refrigerant, hence the air gets cooled. And here we have fans, motor fans. So as you can see over here, we have evaporator fan and we have condenser fan. And in the next we can see the travel of air further. As you can see, the air which is coming from the room, after passing through the evaporator, since it has cooled as the refrigerant has taken the heat, because of the evaporator fan, it travels here, as you can see over here, and the cold air is going to the room. And this condenser fan, okay, is here, okay, and further you can see over here the damper which helps to take the fresh air in. Okay, so this was window air conditioner. Hope you like the video. We'll meet again in the next video. Till then, goodbye.